I think we should not take this tradition literally. The word Arbaeen is a word of completion. It indicates a complete course. So the Jal has stayed there for hundreds of years and is still continuously oppressing the rest of the world. So Arbaeen, the word Arbaeen, I don't think should be taken literally. It should mean a perfect number. That's all. You know, this can be interpreted differently as well. Arbaeen is an open word. So you can add any number, any months, years, or centuries. But I'm afraid the Jal will not last till Arbaeen century. So something Arbaeen which may be extended to 4 centuries or something, that is a possibility, but that is extending the Hadith too much. So I think the first answer is satisfactory, that this is a word of completion and it means he will rule for a very long time. Arbaeen karn hoga to kitna banega? How much?
400 years.
4,000 years.
4,000.
4,000.
So I think right from the beginning you can't count that. It's impossible. All right, please.